Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today is the 7th of July, Wednesday 2021, and let me share with you guys how I help my traders to bank amazing profit through live intraday analysis in real time. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you how I did today. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe to this channel. Let's dig straight to the EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD trade. EURUSD, if you look at the 4-hour chart, as I said to you yesterday, if you haven't seen my yesterday analysis, we were short and banked beautiful pips. And today, as you can see the candlestick pattern, we have inside candle pattern, you can see here. And inside the candle pattern, you can see we have a spinning top. Afterwards, we have another bearish candle, which is a strong body. And that's why we explained to trader it's time to take a short trade. So we have this consolidation breakout at the New York session. We were expecting in London morning, but we expected, breakout is performed at the New York session. We had a beautiful short trade on EURUSD. All right, let me share with you the intraday analysis of the EURUSD. As you can see here, this is the analysis based on the 4-hour price action, as I explained to you guys. That's what I did analysis at the New York session. Look for this breakout. Previous high, you can see sideways market. As you can see here, price nicely broke on. As soon as the price is about to hit to the support level, which is basically fib channel, and if you look at here, the price was at the support level, and that's time explained to my trader it's time to enjoying pipping. So we had a beautiful short trade on EURUSD. That was a pretty straightforward, only one trade. Let's dig into the euro pound dollar. If you look at the pound dollar, look at the 4-hour chart, and this morning we had a beautiful long trade here. As soon as the price, if you look at yesterday, we had short trade here. You have seen it, my yesterday analysis. If you haven't, the video link is given in the video description. So we were short yesterday, banking all pips. This morning, if you look at the candlestick pattern, if you look at this inside candle, bullish inside candle pattern, and afterwards today we had a beautiful breakout long trade here. As soon as the price hit to this resistance level at this level, and we banked beautiful pips today. And at the New York session, when the price reversed, if you look at it technically, after this breakout we were looking a pullback, but in intraday we need a valid technical entry. We had another beautiful entry here at this level and banked beautiful. As soon as the price hit to the support level, which is, you can see here, previously broken, and retest, and that time I explained to my trader to bank beautiful pips. Let me share with you the intraday analysis of the pound dollar. If you look at the pound dollar, as you can see, yesterday we were short, bank all these pips. This morning, you can see here, price developed a sideways market, and that was a beautiful breakout long trade here. As soon as the price hit this level in 4-hour, and that's what we explained to trader to it's time to bank some profit. And let's wait for another pullback, or let's wait another opportunity. So that was the beautiful trade at the London morning session. If you look at the New York session, and that's what we explained. The first priority I always explain to my trader, we have this breakout, so we're looking at pullback. But as I said to you, we are, trade valid technical entry. That's what we explained to trader. If the price is going to break this orange EMA and this previous recent high, or if the price is going to break this one, then if the price is going to break the previous high, then we will consider in pullback long trade here, then looking a good trade in 4-hour. If the price is going to break this level, then we're going to be taking a breakout short trade here, and then our first target would be the previous high. That's what our first target, which you can see here, price nicely hit to the first target. But as you can see, as soon as the price hit to the major support level in 4-hour, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. So you can see, based on this analysis, we have a beautiful breakout short trade and bank beautiful pips. As soon as the price hit, as you can see here, price respected previously at this level. Even in 4-hour, we have a major support level. That's what I explained to trader, guys, it's time to enjoying pipping. We had a beautiful long and the London morning session, short at the New York session, with valid technical reason based on the 4-hour price action. That's the beautiful trade we had it today on pound dollar. That's what exactly we do every single day. All right, so dollar CAD, look at the dollar CAD. And if you look at the dollar CAD, and we had a short trade here yesterday, you have seen it that we were long here, bank beautiful pips. As soon as the price hit this resistance level, which is the previous high, bank beautiful pips, and afterwards we were short. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis, watch that video, link is given in the video description. So we were short from yesterday, bank beautiful pips, and we long at the New York session, bank beautiful pips, and some of my traders are also short from at this resistance level. Let me share with you the intraday analysis of dollar CAD. We had amazing pips on dollar CAD today. All right, so if you look at, this is the analysis at the London morning session as explained to you from yesterday. If you look at from yesterday, this was the analysis, and I explained to my trader, every time when the price come up, just keep taking a short trade here. So we had a beautiful short trade yesterday. This morning at the London morning session, you can see here price develop another consolidation, but I explained to my trader, technically if you look at, we have another bearish flag pattern develop, another symmetric triangle pattern, as you can see, as explained into the analysis. So we had a beautiful breakout, and I explained to trader, keep taking a pullback share until the price gonna hit this major support level, and then we're looking here after this breakout, pull back long. That's what we're looking in 4 hour. But as soon as the price broken, we bank beautiful pips. As soon as the price hit, look here, the first target, look at the second target, price nicely hit, bank beautiful pips. And afterwards at the New York session, I did another analysis because we were expecting a long here, but as I always mention to my trader, look for valid technical entry. So what I did another analysis at the New York session. You can see here that was a beautiful price came back here, I hit this level and then break on. You can see here price nicely failed to break this level as mentioned in the analysis. As soon as the price gonna break the previous high, and if you look at here the previous candle, we have a hammer that give us the good indication that probably possibility, high probability, there's no guarantee, but there's a high probability price is going to reverse. So technical valid entry if the price is going to break the previous high. And that's why we did this analysis and communicate through live audio commentary to my trader, and I push my trader to enjoying this pipping. So we had a beautiful long trade here as soon as the price hit to the resistance level in 4 hour, and that's what we're explaining to trader, it's time to enjoying profit. You can see a beautiful pullback breakout long trade on dollar CAD. Some of the traders, they said, okay, probably give us the, is there any counter opportunity? So I did this analysis, and based on the 4 hour, as you can see here, so as soon as the price hit, this is what we call a scalp trade, to be honest. As you can see here, price develop, I explained to trader, if the price is going to develop double top and intraday, that's give us the good significant, you can take a short trade here. And this is the counter trade. As soon as the price hit to the orange EMA, I said to my trader, it's time to consider tightening your stop loss. All right, okay guys, so some of the traders still holding it, so good luck. So this is what we have done today. As you can see, we really enjoyed the pipping today, amazing profit today. And if you look at most of them, if you look at the pound yen trade, we had a beautiful, long trade this morning, and after was a short trade here. Let me explain to you. You can see here, this was the breakout trade, a London morning session, and then I also updated this analysis again, breakout. Just basically our job is to help them trader with the live intraday analysis. Every time they ask, is there any opportunity, I instantly find the patterns and broadcast that information to my traders. So you can see here, London morning session, we were long on cable, all the pound pairs. At the New York session, that's what we explained to trader, guys, look for this breakout, because they were expecting price might gonna continue. I said, guys, we're going to trade what we see it. Look at the bigger picture here. We have this impulsive trade, and you can see here price broke on the previous high, previous low, and after that we're expecting a pullback short here. So more likely be a short trade, but there's still possibility price might going to break. So, and that's what I did this analysis, explained to my trader, if the price is going to break this level, then we should be taking a long trade, otherwise short trade here. More likely we were interested in the short based on the 4 hour price action. You can see here with a beautiful breakout short trade here. As always, the first target would be the fib channel, which is technically the previous low, which is you can see here. And 4 hour, we have developed here another short trade here. So just before FOMC meeting, we managed to bank beautiful pips, guys. Most of my traders really enjoyed today, banking pips today and yesterday. All right, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As I always keep telling you guys, the most important and interesting thing is if you watch all that analysis in the real time and you see how I help my traders with live market instantly through live intraday analysis, alongside with the 4 hour analysis, and help them to develop their trading skill in real time, help them to banking pips in real time. And if you are interested, to know how I help my traders through live intraday analysis in real time through this platform, and how I help them to get funded once they develop their trading skill. And if you're interested, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Or even if you are an experienced trader, as you have seen, this is purely price action trading in real time. And I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy pipping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome, guys. Feel free to join my fast growing trader community. And once again, thank you for watching this video, and have a nice evening and stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.